Hey there, car lovers. Today, we're diving into something that can affect every GM car owner: recalls. Have you ever wondered what exactly a GM recall is? Why does it happen? And how does it impact you? Well, buckle up because we're about to break it all down in the next 5 minutes. This video will clear up any confusion and arm you with all the info you need to handle a GM recall like a pro. A GM recall is when General Motors, yes, that giant behind brands like Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac, identifies a safety defect or non-compliance issue with a vehicle they've manufactured. This could be anything from faulty airbags to a software glitch in your car's system. When that happens, GM issues a recall to fix the problem, sometimes even replacing parts completely, free of charge. Basically, a recall is GM's way of saying, "Oops. We missed something and we want to make it right." It ensures that the cars on the road stay safe and reliable for drivers like you. It's a reassurance that if something goes wrong, GM has your back. Now, you might be wondering, how do these recalls even happen? Well, it's all about the complexity of modern vehicles. Today's cars aren't just machines, they're high-tech computers on wheels. With hundreds of interconnected systems, sensors, and software, sometimes things don't go as planned. Recalls usually happen when a part doesn't perform as it should or a potential safety risk is found. These issues can pop up during the manufacturing process, during testing, or even years after the car's been sold. And once GM realizes there's a risk, they spring into action to fix it, ensuring that drivers like you are safe on the road. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Recalls are simply part of ensuring that the vehicles GM produces are the safest and most reliable they can be. So, how do you find out if your car's been recalled? It's easy. GM will reach out to you directly through a recall notice, either by mail, email, or both. It'll include all the details about the problem, the specific car models affected, and the steps you need to take. But don't wait for a letter in the mail to find out. You can easily check if your vehicle is involved in a recall by visiting GM's official website and using their VIN, Vehicle Identification Number, lookup tool. Just enter your VIN, and you'll get a quick, accurate result. Your VIN is unique to your car, and it's located on your dashboard or inside the driver's side door frame. It's like your car's fingerprint. Once you've entered it into the website, you'll be able to see if your car's on the recall list. It's that simple. So, what happens once you're notified? When you bring your vehicle to a GM dealership, the recall repair process is quick, easy, and at no cost to you in most cases. It could be something as simple as a software update or as involved as replacing a faulty part, like airbags or brake systems. Regardless of the repair, GM wants to ensure you're back on the road safely as quickly as possible. Depending on the severity of the recall, repairs can sometimes be done in a few hours or may take a little longer if a part needs to be ordered. And guess what? If you need a rental car while yours is being repaired, GM will often cover that too. So you won't be left stranded. Plus, many dealerships offer a free inspection to check if there are any other issues with your vehicle while it's there. But wait. What happens if you ignore the recall or forget to get it fixed? Well, while it's not mandatory to fix a recall immediately, it's always in your best interest to do so. Ignoring it could leave you exposed to safety risks that could be avoided with a simple repair. Plus, unaddressed recalls may lead to issues that affect your car's performance and resale value. So, if you've received a recall notice, it's always best to take care of it as soon as possible. Recalls might sound a little scary at first, but they're actually an essential part of keeping our vehicles safe. So, don't worry if you get a recall notice, just take the time to get the repair done. It's a small step that helps make sure you're driving a safe and reliable car. Now that you know all about GM recalls, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and share this video with your friends so they can stay informed too. And if you've had any recall experiences or questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and drive smart.